Mathako ma cukuru cia secondary tamu ya mbere ukireherwo ni kambuni ya Brookside.
Riri rirari ikirekari 16 ria mathako maya ma mathukuru ma secondary na riria kambuni iria ya Brookside iretira kuona mambaniriirie kuma ikireka ria mbere. Muoroto munene wa kambuni ya Brookside ni kunyitirira mathako maya na gukuria taranda o undu na mathomo makiria hari ciana iria iri gikiro-ini gia secondary. Moses Wajara kuma kaunti ya Siaya ni murutwo wa tene wa thukuru wa Maseno na ni umwe wa arutwo aria magunikite na mubango uyu wa kambuni ya Brookside.
Maseno boost of producing basketball players, and Brookside came in to sponsor the secondary schools games, where I got the opportunity to showcase my talent. Where I was spotted by a number of coaches in East Africa. I got some scholarship in Uganda, but I ended up in University of Nairobi, where I studied commerce. Right now I'm doing my MBA.
Na hii uri na matanya mariku?
To encourage the students, athletes, to up their grades so that they can win the scholarships that Brookside is offering them, and I think that will help them in future. Now we are trying to mentor students to balance both classwork and out of class activities.
Na kule kambuni ya Brookside.
Thank Brookside so much for giving us the platform to showcase our talent.
Hadu na metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.
Mathako ma cukuru cia secondary tamu ya mbere ukireherwo ni kambuni ya Brookside.
Kambuni ya Brookside ni marakuhe university scholarship ya kothi iria wendete kuria Strathmore University. Kwigwatira mweki uyu urafatara gukorwo uri thiini wa mathako ma Brookside Term 1 Games thukuru-ini wa Kangaru High School Embu. Ucoke thiini wa KCSE unyite A-. Kuhoteka wende weturetha. Brookside, nurturing sporting talent and academics.